Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sharia Anjum, Assistant Professor of Political Science in the School of Arts, Humanities and Social Sciences at Sage University, Bhopal. Today we are going to talk about classical languages of India which are listed in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. So let us understand first what is the classical language. We can say that any language with independent literature and ancient body of written script may be considered as a classical language. As we all know that India is a land of diverse cultures and diverse languages, where 22 languages are considered as official language of India as per the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. But Government of India decided to proclaim certain languages under classical language category. They are also enlisted in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution under the guidelines provided by the Ministry of Culture. The criteria for the same is as follows: like a language must have its early text recorded history over a period of 1500 to 2000 years, and the literature should be original and not borrowed from some other language or speech community. There are at present 6 languages that enjoy the classical status, and the demand to include Marathi in this category is also there. The 6 classical languages of India are as follows. Number one is Tamil language. Tamil language was declared as a classical language in 2004. It is a Dravidian language spoken in Tamil Nadu basically. The next was Sanskrit language. Sanskrit is an Indo-Aryan branch of language and considered the language of Indo-philosophy. This was declared as a classical language in 2005. Next is Kannada language. Kannada is a Dravidian language basically spoken in Karnataka. The script can be traced back from the 5th century BC, and this was declared classical language in the year 2008. The next one is Telugu language. Telugu is a Dravidian language spoken in Andhra state and Telangana. This was declared as a classical language in the year 2008. The next one is Malayalam language. Malayalam is also a Dravidian language, and its literature can be traced back from 9th to 11th century, and it is spoken in Kerala, Pondicherry. This language was declared as classical language of India in the year 2013. The last one is Odia language. This language is Indo-Aryan language whose earliest literary work can be traced back to the 10th century, and it is mostly spoken in Odisha, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh side, and this was declared under the category of classical languages in 2014. It is important here to mention that all the classical languages are enlisted in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. So let us understand what advantage a language gets if it is included as classical language. Once a language is notified as a classical language, the Education Ministry provides certain advantages to promote it, and these are 2 major annual international awards for scholars of eminence in classical Indian languages are given. A center of excellence for studies in classical languages is set up. UGC is requested to create or to start with at least the central universities a certain number of professional chairs for the classical languages so declared. I hope you find it understanding and interesting. Thank you.